This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by fixing the simple but critical items. Set your computer clock correctly and update Firefox so it trusts current root certificates. Once done, visit the site and click the padlock, then view certificate to see issuer, expiry, and hostname. Make sure the certificate matches the site name and is not expired. If the error appears immediately, note the error code and issuer. That information guides whether the problem is local, a misissued cert, or an intercepting middle box. Next, you resolve trust and interception problems. If your organization uses local certificates, toggle About, Config Security, Enterprise Roots. Enabled to true so Firefox uses the OS Store. Alternatively, import the CA directly into Firefox's Certificates Manager for controlled environments. If an antivirus or proxy is performing HTTPS inspection, disable that feature briefly to test. Many security tools replace site certificates and trigger errors. Make sure to clear the site's cache and restart Firefox between tests to avoid cached errors from lingering. To finish, restart Firefox and revisit the site. If the certificate is valid now, you're done. Only add a permanent exception when you absolutely trust the site and understand the risk. If errors persist, boot Firefox in safe mode or create a clean profile to rule out extensions and settings. Also check the OS root certificate store and any corporate proxy. If you still see problems, capture the certificate details and error code and contact the site administrator. This helps diagnose a misissued cert or CA problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.